What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name's Helen.
And I'm Jerry.
And today we are showing you guys part 2 of our Cabo trip.
Dos.
So part 1 was mostly just showing you guys the check-in process, showed you guys the hotel, our room, how the hotel was handling the pandemic, and just a little bit of the sunset that first day, which was magical.
Beautiful. The mountains on the right, you saw that? The mountains over there, like, you know, like glycerin up, you know, like, you know, the mountains over there, and then the ocean over here.
So obviously we're back from our trip now. We're rocking our dope Cabo sweatshirts. Look at that. Showing the back, baby.
Back, baby. Oh, I got a big bag. Oh, flexible.
So these are our little souvenirs from Cabo. We just wanted to show you guys that part 2 is more of things that we did out there, pool day, breakfast, and the arches, which is my favorite part of the trip.
The arches is by far the best scene that I've ever seen on this side of the world.
The boat ride too.
The yacht.
Yeah.
Excuse my stash. I know that thing is strong. You know, quarantine stash.
So yeah, this is part 2 of our Cabo trip. Are we gonna have a part 3?
Let us know you guys want a part 3. Comment, subscribe, share, little bell, you know what I'm saying? Do the whole thingle bingle. And I think we'll put the part 3.
Yeah, because we got a lot of footage, but we didn't want to make it like too long for you guys.
Actually, yeah, let us know, because I got like this drone video of
that was cool.
The resort, and it was pretty cool. Kind of want to show it out, but I need you guys to communicate with me, you know, or us, I should say.
Do you like these travel vlogs or not? Let us know in the comment section down below. And yeah, tune in for our part 2 Cabo trip. Good morning. Look at this view.
Muchas gracias. Oh, happy birthday.
Muchas gracias. Good morning, guys. So we just came to get breakfast. We'll show you guys a little bit of our layout in a bit, but we got omelets, bacon, French toast, plátano maduro, which I'll have for every meal. So of course I got that. I'm gonna have coffee and mimosas. We're just gonna lay by the pool today because we haven't had a chance to just lay out and drink. Excited?
Yeah.
The service here is amazing, guys. Top notch.
I feel important. Like, I don't know. We're like the youngest ones out here too, so people keep staring at us. Like, damn, they rich. We're really not. We're really not. Like, really not. And they welcome you with, welcome to your home.
Welcome home. That's like their thing. Yeah, so we're just gonna eat and we'll check in with you guys at the pool. We just made it to the pool. It's pretty quiet out here. It's nice, not too packed. We're just getting some drinks first. Gonna go look for our chairs. Mojito de tamarindo, and I got gracias mimosa with mango juice. Just got done taking pictures. See you guys in the water.
So, I'm having a great time. I was in the swimming pool, and got a tan, and I'm buzzing, and I feel great. Now we better go on a little boat cruise, and I'm excited. I'm very excited to see this. What do you want? She thinks she can do whatever she wants just because she's cute and all. She can't.
Well, we're going on a boat.
Oh. She's flexing because her body looks better than mine. Okay. You're okay. You think you're sexy, but you're not. Okay. Just because you got big butt cheeks. Okay. Whatever. Butterflies. Who wears butt?
Is that your Cabo hat?
I don't even know. My pink short.
Alright, we literally gave ourselves 10 minutes to change. Alright guys, we're on our excursion to the arches, but they also stop us to do a little shopping. So right now we're in Cabo San Lucas. I think we're gonna do a tequila tasting at some point. And then we're on to the boat to look at the arches, and they have food and drinks on there. So we're just gonna keep walking around, see what they have here, and we'll see you guys at the tequila tasting.
Es arriba,
Para arriba,
abajo,
para abajo,
al centro,
al centro,
para adentro.
para adentro.
Salud. Ahora sí, shake it for tonight, mamacita. Ahora sí, we're
Salud.
very happy in Cabo. Ay, we're Mexican tequila.
What is that,
Gracias.
Jose?
You tell me.
Damn, who's that?
This here is Don Pancho.
Don Panchito. We got Don Panchito over here.
Chilling.
Pancho, ¿cómo está? Dígame, ¿cómo le va? ¿Te qué dice?
Take it easy, my friend. So this
Una
is
tequila.
a different shopping
I'll
center,
take it. Yeah.
and I think this is where we're supposed to do the tequila tasting.
¿Al tequila?
Tequila, yo. Tequila.
Ok.
¿A dónde queda el tequila?
Sí, vete para acá.
Vámonos. Tequila.
$28% alcohol, 76% proof. Ok, señores. Saludcita. Pruébenlo. Vean la calidad del producto. Ok. Algo elegante.
Wow. It's strong, but good strong.
¿Cuadró o no cuadró?
It's not that.
It went down smooth.
It's not that. You know what I mean? Strong.
No,
It's that.
it's smoother,
It's that
right?
smooth.
Mira. Also, we have a different company too. That is a Mañana company, right? 7-year-old phone. It's not commercialized too.
Reaction. Try it and let them know how it is. Try it.
It goes down smooth. And I'm not a tequila drinker, so it's
Easy
good.
to drink,
It's
easy
sweet.
to drink, okay?
Yeah.
She's not a tequila drinker, and she enjoyed it.
Yeah.
You
I
see?
usually run away from tequila.
The best one.
You know. So let's check out our reaction after this one.
Let's try, let's enjoy, let's talk to the camera. How tastes that one?
Amazing. Thank you so much for your time.
Senor, you welcome.
Really good.
Guys, see you later.
Bye.
Let's see to visit Los Cabos, okay?
Thank you, Juan.
Thank you,
Bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Juan. Bye, Juan.
Alright, we just made it to the marina. We finished doing a little shopping. We went to do 2 different shopping centers. One of them we were there for like an hour and a half. It was kind of crazy. We got offered all kinds of things. And we're about to board the boat right there, Cabo Mar. And it'll also be a sunset view. So on our way there, we'll be drinking and then we'll see the arches. And on our way back, I believe, is when we get dinner. So it'll be really fun, great views, good vibes.
So guys, so we finally made it to the yacht.
The Cabo Mar, we boarded. As soon as we got on, they had drinks ready for us. We grabbed the rum punch. They have a bunch of, they have different wines and like frozen drinks like piña coladas or daiquiris and margaritas. They also have some meat grilling. We can smell it already for dinner.
And you expect that for the amount of money you pay. You get the view. Oh, they treat you like a king. I've been to Japan, but let me tell you, queen. Whoa, your shoes are tied. Stop. It is worth it. We're trying this right now. Yeah. If you know Spanish, it's tough. So yeah, stay tuned. We will continue this video as we get closer to the
Arches. The arches is the main attraction.
arches. She said arches. That was supposed
The
to be high.
Cabo arches. Or the
Stay
arch.
tuned, losers.
Alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed our Cabo vlog part 2.
Let us know whose sweatshirt is better. I think mine is a lot better than that.
Look at mine.
Nah, girl.
Look, we got the pink.
The only thing that's
blues.
kind of cool that you got the pink. You know, I want a little bit of pink.
You
on
said you
mine,
wish you
but
got mine.
the pink. That's it.
Alright
Anyways,
guys.
green and blue is better, but let us know
How you like the vlog. If you guys like these kinds of videos, we like to travel, so.
if you want to see more. We do kind of travel a lot, so let us know what you guys want to see. You know, we
We'll
might
just
hit
take
it
you
up.
around Florida.
Florida, Tamps. You know what I'm saying? Called Tamps.
But let us know down in the comments below what you guys thought. Like, comment, subscribe, share, And we'll see you guys in the next one.
See you guys in the future. Y'all take care. Bye. Subscribe, share it. Tell your friends all about it. You know what I'm saying? And